message is transmitted at the request of the Wisconsin Emergency Management Agency. Due to the fire this morning at the Patrick Cudahy plant, all summer school activities are canceled in Cudahy. The Cudahy Health Department is evacuating all residents within 1 mile radius of the Patrick Cudahy plant. South Milwaukee High School Service Reception Center. Please take your pets and medication with you. If you know a neighbor who does not have a school-aged child, please go and knock on their door and give them this message.